Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about interquartile range. Let us go back to the quartiles of ungrouped data. The quartiles are the score points which divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. So that is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So this one is 0%. Quartile 1, that is 25%. The median, that is the quartile 2, that is 50%. Quartile 3, that is 75%, or the upper quartile. And then this one is 100%. So the quartile 2, that is the median. And then the quartile 1, that is the lower quartile. And the quartile 3, that is the upper quartile. So as you can see in the table, the middle, that could be the quartile 2 or the median. And then to the left side, that is the lower half. And then the right side, that is the upper half. To get the quartile 1, as you can see from start up to the median, the middle, that is the quartile 1. From quartile 2 up to the last, we will get the middle, that is the quartile 3. What could be the formula to identify the interquartile range? That is the difference of quartile 3 and quartile 1. So the formula Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. In example number 1, find the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the interquartile range of the data if the infected person of the virus in each day are 320, 290, 370, 260, 180, and 430. So let us arrange those numbers in ascending order from lowest to highest. So the lowest is 180. So we need to write 180. After 180, that is 260, and then 290, 320, 370, and 430. So let us find now the lower quartile or the Q sub 1. Before we identify the Q sub 1, first we need to identify the quartile 2. So the quartile 2, so let us count this set of data, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the middle is between 3 and then 4. So that is 290 and 320. So this one, that is the middle, that is the quartile 2. So let us identify the quartile 1. So this is the lower half and then the upper half. So lower half and then upper half. Let us identify now the lower quartile. So the lower quartile, that is equal to 260 because 1, 2, 3, the middle is 260. So Q sub 1 is equal to 260, or the lower quartile is equal to 260. How about the upper quartile or the Q sub 3? So from this median up to the last, so this is measures of the position 4th, 5th, and 6th. Let us get the middle. So the middle is 5th, so that is 370. So the Q sub 3 is equal to 370. Or the upper quartile, it is equal to 370. Let us identify now the interquartile range. Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. Q sub 3 is 370 minus the Q sub 1, that is 260. 370 minus 260, the interquartile range, it is equal to 110. So from quartile 3 minus the quartile 1, so here, the interquartile range is equal to 110. How about number 2? During the month of April, Ma'am Mila recorded the number of passing score of students. The results are 14, 10, 12, 12, 17, 15, 18, 19, 14, 11, and 11. Find the value of the Q sub 1, Q sub 3, and the interquartile range of the data. First, we need to arrange those numbers in ascending order, from the lowest to highest. So, first is 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 14, 15, 17, 18, and 19. So let us solve now for the quartile 1 or the Q sub 1. Before we identify the Q sub 1, let us count those numbers. So if we count those numbers, that is 11. So let us find the middle, that is the quartile 2. Or if we find the middle, that is the median. So the middle, that is 14. So it means the quartile 2, it is equal to 14. So this is the lower half and the upper half. If we count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us find the middle, and then we will find out the quartile 1. So the middle, that is 11. So the quartile 1, it is equal to 11. So let us identify now the quartile 3. So let us find the middle between 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. So the middle, that is 17. So that is the Q sub 3 or the quartile 3, it is equal to 17. So let us find now the interquartile range of the data. So Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. The Q sub 3, it is equal to 17 minus the Q sub 1, that is 11. So 17 minus 11, the interquartile range of the data, it is equal to 6. In example number 3, find the first quartile, Q sub 1, second quartile, Q sub 2, third quartile, Q sub 3, and the interquartile range given the scores of 10 students in their mathematics activity are 1, 27, 16, 7, 31, 7, 33, and 21. First, we need to arrange from ascending order, from lowest to highest. So first is 1, next is 3, and then 7, another 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and then 31. First, we need to identify the Q sub 2 or the second quartile. So let us find the median. So we have the numbers that is from 1 to 9. If we count, that is 1 to 9. So the middle, that is from the pip position. So the Q sub 2, that is equal to 16. So it means this is the lower half and then the upper half. So the Q sub 2, that is equal to 16. So let us identify now the Q sub 1, that is the first quartile. So if we count, this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So it means the Q sub 1 is between the second and third position. So let us add 3 plus 7 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 5. So the Q sub 1 is equal to 5. How about the Q sub 3? So the Q sub 3, if we count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the middle is between the position 7 and 8. So we need to add 7 and 8 position. So it means the Q sub 3, it is equal to 27 plus 30 divided by 2. 27 plus 30 divided by 2 is 57 divided by 2. The answer is equal to 28.5. So let us solve now the interquartile range. It is equal to Q sub 3 minus the Q sub 1. Q sub 3 is 28.5, and then the Q sub 1, that is equal to 5. So 28.5 minus 5, the answer for the interquartile range, that is equal to 23.5. In example number 4, find the first quartile, Q sub 1, second quartile, Q sub 2, third quartile, Q sub 3, and the interquartile range given the scores of 14 students in English are 45, 66, 88, 90, 86, 84, 50, 54, 50, 92, 93, 75, 74, 80. First, we need to arrange from lowest to highest or in ascending order. The lowest is 45. Next to 45 is 50, another 50, and then 54, 66, 74, 75, 80, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, and then 93. First, we need to identify the quartile 2 or the second quartile. But first, we need to identify the middle. So the middle from those numbers from 1 up to 14. N is equal to 14. It means the middle that is between the position 7 and then 8. So the quartile 2 is between the position of 7 and 8. So this is the lower half and then the upper half. So let us solve for the quartile 2. So that is 75 plus 80 divided by 2. 75 plus 80 divided by 2, 155 divided by 2, the answer is equal to 77.5. How about the quartile one, or the first quartile? So the first quartile, we will start from 1 up to 7. So let us find the middle. The middle is on the position of fourth. It means the quartile 1, it is equal to 54. So q sub 1 equals 54. How about the q sub 3? Between the position 8 to 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the middle, it is on 11, that is 88. So the q sub 3, that is equal to 88. Let us solve now for the interquartile range, that is q sub 3 minus the q sub 1. q sub 3 is 88 minus the q sub 1, that is 54. 88 minus 54, the answer is equal to 34. So the interquartile range is equal to 34. Let us recap what you have learned about interquartile range, how to find the interquartile range. The very importance is the value of the quartiles and the interquartile range formula. To get the value of the quartiles, the middle in the given set of data, that is the quartile 2 or the median. After getting the lower half from start up to the quartile 2, we will get the middle, and that is the quartile 1 or the lower quartile. The upper half, if we get from the quartile 2 up to the last, that is the upper half, and then we will get the middle for quartile 2 up to the last, that is the quartile 3. The formula for the interquartile range, that is IQR, it is equal to q sub 3 minus the q sub 1. Instruction: find the first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and the interquartile range. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.